In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jira for Kanban teams. Whether you're just starting out with Jira or looking to optimize your existing workflow, this guide will help you harness the power of Kanban boards in Jira. To begin, you'll want to decide whether you're going to create a new project or work with an existing one. If you're opting for a fresh start, head over to the Jira dashboard and look for the Create Project button. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to select the type of project you want. In our case, you'll want to choose Kanban. This step is crucial as it sets the framework for how your tasks and workflow will be organized. After selecting Kanban, it's time to name your project. Choose something that represents your team's mission or goals clearly, as this will make it easier for everyone involved to recognize and engage with the board. Now, if you already have a project set up in Jira, you don't need to start from scratch. Simply navigate to the existing project and click the plus button next to it. Here you can select Kanban to convert it into a Kanban board. This is a fantastic option for those who have already begun their projects but wish to switch to a Kanban setup. Next, you'll want to name your board and decide what you'd like to include in it. Is it just going to be tasks related to a single team, or will it encompass multiple teams and objectives? Make these decisions carefully, as they will impact how tasks are organized and prioritized. Once you've figured that out, go ahead and click Create. With your board set up, it's time to customize it. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. This is your access point for configuration options. Click on it and then select Configure Board. Tailoring your board to reflect your team's specific workflow stages is an important step. Think about the stages your tasks go through, whether it's to do, in progress, or done. These columns need to mimic your actual workflow for the Kanban board to be effective. Once your columns are set up, you can start adding tasks to your Kanban board. Click on each column and start populating it with tasks that need to be accomplished. As your project gets underway, you'll want to invite your team to the board. Click on the 3 dots next to your project's name and select Add People. You can type a name, group, or email address to find and select the right people. Once selected, designate their role, whether that's administrator, member, or viewer, and click on Add. A couple extra things to keep in mind as your team starts using the board. Kanban boards are excellent visualization tools, helping you identify work progress and bottlenecks easily. If you notice that certain tasks aren't progressing, the board can help pinpoint blockers. This gives everyone a clearer picture of where to focus their efforts for improvements. And that's how you set up a Jira Kanban board. With these steps, you're not just organizing tasks, but enhancing your team's productivity and workflow management.